everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie Harford. I am a fashion designer. However, I did spend most of my years doing photography and filmmaking, as well as songwriting and singing, which is all my passions. I hope to bring it all into one, but primarily focus on dressmaking. So that's what this channel is about if you're new here. And if you love dressmaking and sewing and all things fashion, you're at the right place, and I would definitely recommend you subscribe and stick around because I have so many exciting things I want to share with you guys. Okay, now that we got the little giggly moment out of the way, in today's video I wanted to share a dress that I actually made last year. I had this pop-up event and it was my first time doing an event of any sort of thing before. I wanted to share my designs at this event, so I decided to make a dress that would be the showstopper. It's called the Coraline dress, and at the time I was making a lot of things on my dress form because I wasn't really feeling comfortable with my body, and every time I made something for myself I really hated how it looked. I struggled to make it fit right. I just didn't feel good enough yet to create something that I could feel comfortable in. I've grown a lot since then, but this is one of my most complimented dresses, so I really wanted to share it again. The original version of this video is actually on my old channel, but I decided to repurpose yet another dress for this new channel and give it another moment to shine because I love this dress. It's so pretty. Now, if you're aware, I talked about doing a Bridgerton meets Gunny Sacks for this week, but unfortunately I'm just having a really hard week getting focused, and this is something I just felt would be a little bit easier for me in the meantime. So I will be working on the Bridgerton Gunny Sacks dress really soon and hopefully get that to you guys next week. So it's still coming, I just needed a little bit of an easier week. I sourced the fabric from LA Fashion District for like 49 cents a yard, and it's honestly one of my favorite fabrics. This fabric was really fun to work with, and honestly I've been trying to look for something like it ever since. I've had a thing for detachable sleeves, so that's kind of one of the main features of this dress. Cannot wait to share with you guys how I made this last year. Feel free to leave me a comment letting me know how your day is going or how you like the dress, but without further ado, let's get to the video. Where are you going, girl? Where are you going, girl? That scared me a little bit. Okay, that was weird. Think I'm gonna get out of the light. It's kind of having them flowing like that towards the middle. I sewed on this. Kind of what I guess I was going for. I don't know. I mean, it's pretty. So like how it goes towards the back though is it kind of acts like it goes towards the front. You got that like twisted look. Now I'm going to do the same thing and crisscross it over to the other side. looks as good as I think it's gonna get for the first time pleating stretchy tulle, or whatever this is. Yeah, we've got the crisscross look. We've got the boning, which you probably won't be able to see the boning. I mean, this is because it's backlit. So I'm making the lining, which I'm so close. I literally just have to sew on these little back panels. I'm so excited. Like, I'm so close to seeing it kind of look a little bit more official. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. The lining is ready. I just gotta clip the curved part. Guess what? Even though you have no idea what goes on in between these clips, a lot does. What I have done is the skirt is put together. It has the lining layer and the outer. I'm super excited about that. Now we're just going to attach it to the bodice. So I have the bodice upside down and inside out. And I'm just lining up parts to it. And I'm just gonna pin it down. It's like finally coming together. Part of me I can't believe it. I'm just like, it's finally coming together, Stephanie. Not a complete failure so far. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. I don't know. Okay, it's that moment. My favorite moment. So no zipper, no hemming, no sleeves. What do we think? I just gotta get rid of the basting stitch, but otherwise, she's looking great. Woo. Oh yes, flowy skirt. Okay, now I'm getting stuck. I'm getting static. Looks good. Now I just gotta get the basting stitches out. Woohoo! The dress is hemmed. I don't know if you can tell. I tried my best to get through the sleeves. So I'm trying to think of an idea. This is a scrap piece. It's not gonna like stick, but I'm just thinking it'd be cute to create a little string basically. Actually, the length of this one is perfect. So I think I'm gonna do something like that to cover. I was trying something else, it didn't work out. Anyway, I put the elastic in there and it bunches up great, love it, but I'm not a huge fan of the white that shows through, as you can see. So I'm thinking I'll get something like that and then I will just tack it on so that you can still stretch it on and then just have it where it will tie and then cover. And then I also want it to be able to like bunch up like that. I think all I have to do is just create the part where the wrist goes. This is like the dress that I'm going to have revealed and I think that it's so pretty. She's looking good. She needs a hand, you know? I like that it can go over the hand because then when it's like bunched, you can have it up a little higher and then it would kind of cover some of the hand. And I think that'd be like delicate and pretty. Literally, this is the sleeve before any elastic will be added. She'll be done before you know it. We're just gonna like stick this little sleeve on here. Can barely get an idea. I'm so excited. I gotta take a picture of like the progress here. If you're wondering, the update, there it is. The mess in this room is insane, but it is what it is. That's the dress and I am so happy with her. She looks fairy tale like. There are so many other ideas that I have now because of this. I will do a proper reveal when I do that. You'll see it in seconds. Enjoy the dress.